bet jau čia dabar. Burdakas bus belekap.
Hello.
Hi, sweet. How are you?
Hello, who is it?
My name is Paul. How are you today?
What Paul?
Paul.
Paul?
Paul from
What Paul?
Paul from Portadown. How are you today?
Paul from Portadown. Так, Paul, разговаривай, может быть, по-русски, или ты не знаешь русского языка?
Sorry, I can't understand you. In what kind of language you speak?
No, wait 1 second. I know, come back, 2 minutes. Ну, ты говори по-русски, Paul.
No, what?
Wait, no, I not like this joke is shit for me. Если ты хочешь, говори со мной по-русски.
Do you think I'm joking? No, I'm not joking. I just want to invite you.
Ладно, короче, разговаривай со мной по русскому языку, и я с тобой поговорю тогда. А зачем прикалываться? Это I am Paul, I am Julia.
Я do not understand, Julia.
Что ты понимаешь, блядь, не маленький? Давай говори по-русски, что надо?
I can't understand you, woman.
Ой, блядь, пиздец. Короче, что звонишь мне? Что надо? Пообщаться, давай поговорим.
Can you repeat that, please?
Что?
Can you repeat? I can't understand. Can we speak in English, please?
Yes, we can speak in English, no problem. Okay, hello. My name is Julia. What you're now doing? You want me? I want you.
You're exactly right, woman. Yes, Julia. Julia,
okay.
Tell me something more about you. Tell me something more about you.
What do you want to listen about me?
I want everything about you.
I not say nothing about me because I don't know you and who is call me. It's no number on my phone. I not see your number and I not say you nothing. I can say you just my name, Julia.
My name is Paul. Nice to meet you, Julia.
Nice to meet you too.
Where do you live? In Guildford?
Yes, I live in Guildford, but now I in Portadown.
I'm in Portadown also. Can we meet?
Oh, very good, very good. And what you want?
You.
You?
You.
You're very funny. Okay, I not want to speak with you anymore because I don't know who is you.
I am Paul.
Paul? I don't know any Paul. Paul. Who is Paul?
Well, you don't know me.
Paul?
You don't know
Paul,
me.
you know what is it in Russian, Paul, блядь? Paul, по которому я хожу, it's Paul.
Can you repeat that, please?
Paul is Paul, по которому я хожу, it's Paul.
Well,
I know you can speak Russian language, but I don't know why you speak in English. If you are stupid, you can call different Julia, but not me. Bye-bye.
Kaip čia tau normali mergikė pašovė, ką? iš kur tokios moteris gimsta aršios, tu man pasakyk geriau.
Gerai, čia yra.
Ja, čia labai sudėtingas tokia moterim aplumai, žinok, yra kažkas.
Bet jinai jauna, yra 21, bet šnekėtai kaip...
Žinai, ko gero, klaida buvo viena numeris. Buvo išjungtas.
Kas išjungė? Galim paskambyti išjungę numerį. Išjungtas?
Įjungtą numerį dabar mums reikėtų.
Nu, paskambink su jungtą.
Nu, čia tokia interesna woman, man patiko visai, žinok, jinai.
Tai jai šokius turėjai pakviestų. Hello, Paul.
Tai kad jinai...
Julia,
Paul. Tai kad tai čia dabar, žinai.
What do you want? You, I want to. Me too, are you?
Dabar tu paskambink klaidai angliškai ir pasakyk, aš dabar noriu tavęs.
Rusiškai šnekė.
Nu, šnekėk in Russian language.
No. Нет.
Ну, аж руссишкой не понимаю.
Я тоже не понимаю.
Ну, как ты не понимаешь? Ну,
как ты не понимаешь?
Давай, žiūrėk.
Jungite numerį.
Julia.
Užsisuko mikrofoną, kalbėk su Julia, Paulai.
Julia, please, friko. Julia, вон танцую. Julia, di amore.
What?
Amore, my number. You can see my number now.
No, I can't see your number. If you want to speak good, speak good. But if you speak shit, but not with me. I don't know who is you, and you just speaking shit.
I'm actually don't speak at all because I'm trying to be nice with you, but you're shooting on me, so that's why.
Okay, try and be nice with me, but I don't know your number. It's unknown number, I not speak with people who I don't know.
Yeah.
If you want to speak with me, say me, you know me or not. Maybe you're from America, or maybe you're policeman.
No. I'm not Polish. I'm a local man. I'm living in Portadown, and I'm at the moment in Geomax. So if you like,
Okay, you live in Portadown, but maybe you not live in Portadown. Maybe you live in Leiter. But maybe you live in some different place. I don't know. Maybe you're not from Portadown. Maybe you're from different place.
I'm in Geomax at the moment. Do you know where's the Geomax?
You from Germany?
No. I'm telling. I'm in Geomax, a pub.
Joe Max. I don't know Joe Max or Joe Baby or Joe. I don't know who is Joe Max.
Right. Do you know Euphoria Club Night? Yeah.
Yes, I know Euphoria Club. Yes, I know.
That's really good because I'm gonna be in Euphoria tonight, so we can meet.
If you be in Euphoria, it's your problem. But I not want tonight go Euphoria Club because
I will get you a
maybe-
drink.
What?
I will buy you a drink.
It doesn't matter to me. I can buy for self drink. If I don't care about somebody buy me drink, I can buy for self, and drink is shit. This is shit. But I don't know you, and I not understand who you call me now. Why you call me?
I
Well,
like
some
you, Julia.
different
Julia,
person.
no different. I just like
And
you.
what? Ew, зажигалку. It's in Russian language. Зажигалку. Блять. Вот, ну так что?
No,
По какой причине ты мне звонишь? Друг ты мой дорогой.
Julia, can
Yes.
can I speak with you normally? Because you're only shooting on me, and I can't
Yes,
sometimes
yes,
understand.
I
why-
can speak with you normally. It's no problem for me. But I don't know you.
My name is Paul. I'm living Portadown in a Bridge Street.
Wait, Paul, okay, it's no problem where you live. I don't care about where you live.
Julia, I
but
like you really much.
You from where? From where you?
From Portadown.
No. Your nationality. You from Portuguese. You from America. Or
Brazilian.
you from
Brazilian.
Brazilian.
Yes.
And what? And what?
And I like you.
What?
I like you.
And what you like me, but I not see you never. I don't like you.
So I would like to invite you to see me today.
Yes, maybe tonight I go to 40 and maybe I can see you.
Do you like Brazilian boys? Because I like Lithuanian girls, Latvians, and Polish girls.
Yes.
Yeah, so are you interested now?
So.
Well, so maybe there's a chance to see you tonight. I would
Maybe,
really appreciate it.
maybe. I don't know. Oh, fuck. What are you doing? You are a crazy Brazilian. Yeah.
Why I'm crazy?
No, your friend is crazy. He's too from Brasilia. He doing shit now, but he from America.
Oh, he's from United States, is it?
Yes, United States of America. He's Obama, president.
Right. And do you,
Yeah, he's
do,
Obama.
do you like Lithuanian boys?
Yes, I know. Fuck him. I joke. Just joke. Okay.
Julia, what? Julia, so there is a chance to see you tonight or no? I would like to fuck you also.
You won't fuck me?
Well, you told me that you fucking everybody, so I want to.
You are a crazy man. Stop. You are a crazy man, and I not see you never. Are you saying these bad words? How you can say this shit for me?
You're telling a lot of shit to me also.
No. I say you speak Russian, but you can't.
No, I'm not speaking Russian. I'll speak in Portuguese or Brazilian.
Okay, speak Portuguese. I understand Portuguese.
Gracias, amigos. Adiós. Julieta. Hello, Julia.
Hello.
Hello, where are you, Julia? Can't hear you now. Julia. Julia, I can't hear you now.
¿Cómo está?
Julia.
¿Cómo está?
¿Cómo está, Julia?
Toma. ¿Cómo está?
¿Cómo está? Julia, ¿cómo está? Julia, speak in English. You don't understand in Brazilian.
Te mataron.
Julia.
¿Cómo está? Te mataron.
Bicona.
Fatti matare.
Fatima Tare.
Toma, bye. He's Romanian? Yeah? You Romanian?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah? Hello. You know two friends.
Hey, lots of friends.
So why you call us? Fuck off. I'm gonna talk with Nutsu now. You crazy?
I am, yes.
So why you call us?
Because.
Because of you want I do it you or something?
Yes,
You crazy?
I am crazy, yes.
Yes, you go call Nutsu there?
О?
Next to Nutsu, where is Nutsu?
Какой Нуцу?
Where is Nutsu?
Нет, Ница. Bardzo dobrze.
Here. You
Dobrze.
friend with Nutsu? Yes?
Какой Нуцу?
You don't know Nutsu?
Ницу, Мацуцу.
So fuck off and tell Nutsu need grow up, tell him he's a shit fucker, okay? He's a shit fucker, and tell him he needs to baby girls. And don't call this number again because I beat you and him or whatever, okay?
Мирова Марсирита, а да палечи малита и масати масутаратита.
Nada, filho de uma grande puta, és uma grande cabrão, filho de uma grande puta. Eu vejo-te agora e eu mato agora, filho de uma grande puta, percebes?
Рамасита Масута, катикта пута.
Filho de uma grande puta.
Намуса масита ратута.
Vai pro caralho, România Braças.
Masarita.
Good friends, all of Andrew, good friends of me. I love Romania. Andrew and Andre and all of my friends. Nutsu, tell Nutsu I'm not joke with this, okay?
Masarita Masuta.
Yes, Nutsu think me and my friends bitch, but no. Tell Nutsu fuck off on you.
Марасита Масута Арабуди. Жалябlibля.
Sure, don't call. No, I'm gonna call Nutsu now. Fuck off.
Nucinica. Bet tokios ganėtinai išprotėjusios moteris, ne?
Oi, čia buvo.
Nu čia, žinok, čia yra jau išskirtinės asmenybės, kurios...
Man atrodo, savaitgalis perdaugino.
Gal prirūkė kokių žulies?
Nu, ko gero, kad kažko tai privariusios yra tokia, žinai, gardaus galdumo privažiavusios yra, tai nelabai ko gero dabar susitaiko su savim ir susipranta.
Tai aš jau čia buvo kalbata tokia kaip pastai, žinai, žiblia.
Tai čia jos kalbėjo, ko gero,
buvo keli angliški žodžiai, paskui vėl rusiški ir vėl žibliulas.
Ne, ten viskas labai paprastai vyko, iš tikrųjų kažkokia draugė, matyt, biškai braziliškai ir portugališkai.
Šiaip portugališkai. Turėtų būti, man atrodo.
Bet kokia atveju absoliutinė sąmonė, kurią turėjo klausyti mūsų klausytojai, bet kas juokės, kas nesijuokė, mes biški pasijokėm, išklausėm.
Ir likom nesupratę.
Išklausėm tikrai nuostabių isterijų, kaip moteris isterikuoja, supratom, kaip moteris reaguoja ir kaip moteris save...
O norėjome vakarėlį pakviesti.
O tiesiog norėjom pakviesti vakarėlį. Nu ir ko gero nereikės. Gerai, kūrinys, po kurio viskas, lošiam bilietukus į Jonines 2014, kurios vyks Dundalke. Bet jau čia dabar.
Bardakas.